have you ever stopped to think about the data whizzing behind the scenes when you use a phone or video conferencing app? It might seem like just a simple call, but there's actually a surprising amount of information being collected, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into the world of RingCentral and exploring exactly what it tracks. Now, before you panic and imagine Big Brother listening to your every conversation, let's be clear. RingCentral prioritizes user privacy. They don't record the content of your calls or meetings, but there is valuable data they do track, and understanding what that data is can actually benefit you in a big way. So, buckle up and get ready to become a RingCentral data detective. All about your calls. Unmasking metrics. Let's start with the core function of RingCentral, making calls. When you place a call, RingCentral gathers information to ensure smooth communication and provide valuable insights afterwards. Here's what they typically track. Call basics. This includes the date, time, duration of the call, and the phone numbers involved. This helps RingCentral monitor call volume and identify peak usage times. Call success. Did your call connect? Did it go to voicemail? Tracking success rates helps RingCentral identify potential network issues and improve overall service quality. Hold times. Nobody enjoys waiting on hold. By tracking hold times, RingCentral can assess staffing needs and optimize call routing for faster connections. Call transfers. How often are calls being transferred within your organization? This data helps identify areas where additional training or streamlining processes might be beneficial. Beyond calls. Unveiling video conference data. RingCentral isn't just about phone calls. It's a full-fledged video conferencing platform as well. So, what kind of data gets tracked during your virtual meetings? Meeting details. Similar to calls, RingCentral tracks the date, time, and duration of your meetings, along with the participants involved. Meeting performance. Did your video conference experience any lag or disruptions? Tracking performance helps RingCentral identify and address potential issues with internet connectivity or server load. Screen sharing activity. How often are participants sharing their screens during meetings? This data can provide insights into collaboration styles and identify areas where screen sharing can be used more effectively. Recording stats. If you choose to record your meetings, RingCentral tracks the recording duration and who accessed it. This helps ensure proper access control and meeting security. Keeping things secure. Privacy and your data. We mentioned earlier that RingCentral prioritizes user privacy. So, how do they ensure your data is protected? Encryption. RingCentral uses industry-standard encryption to safeguard your data both in transit and at rest. This means even if someone intercepted your data, they wouldn't be able to decipher it. Compliance. RingCentral adheres to strict data security regulations, including HIPAA for healthcare providers and GDPR for users in the European Union. User control. You have some control over the data RingCentral collects. You can choose to opt out of certain tracking features and manage your privacy settings within the RingCentral app. The power of data, how tracking benefits you. Now that you know what RingCentral tracks, let's explore how this data can actually benefit you as a user. Improved performance. By analyzing call and meeting data, RingCentral can identify areas for improvement and optimize their service to provide you with a more seamless experience. Enhanced collaboration. Data insights can help identify communication trends within your organization. This can help you streamline workflows, improve team communication, and boost overall collaboration. Better decision-making. The data RingCentral collects can be used to generate reports that provide valuable insights into your communication patterns. This data can inform decisions about staffing needs, meeting schedules, and even marketing strategies. In conclusion, RingCentral tracks data to ensure smooth communication, improve its services, and ultimately, empower you to be more productive and efficient. Remember, they prioritize user privacy and don't record the content of your calls or meetings. By understanding what data is being tracked, you can leverage the power of RingCentral analytics to optimize your communication experience and achieve your business goals. So, the next time you pick up the phone or join a video conference using RingCentral, remember, there's a whole world of data working behind the scenes to keep you connected and productive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.